kahit anong gusto mo i-drawing. Ayun na. Apple. Oh, next.
No.
Color. Ganun galing eh. Dito ang hawak.
Yes, what did it?
Next.
Who's that?
Strawberry. And then,
Wow. 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 Strawberry. Strawberry. Oh, apple, no! Mommy, apple, oh no.
it's okay. Next.
What's that?
Tomato.
Yeah?
Here. Dito.
See? Yay, amen. Yeah. Hey. My daddies. Writing. Hill. Kitang.
This one. Color pink yung dress. Oh, violet na lang. Say violet. That's violet. Yes, darling. No pink. Yun na, violet. Huwag ganyan. Careful. Slowly, sweetheart. Slowly.
Okay, which one is the color red? Apple. Okay, apple. Color the apple. Inside lang. You. This object, which one is the color red? Color red. No, color red. Where's the color yellow? Yellow. Say yellow. Yellow, no. This one. Yung color mo tong yellow. Okay, color mo yung yellow. This one. Okay na yan. Nasaan yung color green? Green. Where's the color green? Here. Where's the color green? Green. Where's the color green? Green. Where's the color green? Yes. Ayan. One hand lang, one hand. One hand lang. Oh, where's the color blue? Blue. Blue. Where's the color blue? Saan? Ang color yan? Ha? Ang color yan? What color is that? Blue. Blue. Okay. Sige na. Dito. Okay, where's the color violet? Violet. Where's the violet? Sige, get mo. Here. Now, where's the color black? Color black. Get mo, okay? Color mo to. Where's the color brown? Brown. Yan, get mo. Color mo to. Dahan-dahan. Anong yellow dito? Yellow. Yellow, oh. Itong banana, yellow. Itong leaves, green. Green, itong leaves. B. Yung leaves. Yung leaves lang, ha. Tapos itong flower violet. Yan, flower violet. Okay. Hindi, wala naman yung violet. Sige. Okay, ito ano to? This one, what is this? What's that? What's that? What is that? What color is that? Okay, orange. Minsan. Another one. Okay, and what is this? This one, what is this? That is a wave. Ocean. This one, what is this? Pencil. This one, what is that? Car. Oh, this one? Whale. Oh, color natin ng color? Blue. Ano yung color blue dyan? Okay, color mo siya. Inside lang ah. Inside. See. Yes. This inside. Inside. Okay. Color mo lahat yan.
Daddy, help.
Okay.
Howard. What inside, Daddy?
Ikaw, dali. Yan. Di ba tinuro ko na sa'yo paano hold yan? Yung crayon?
What inside, Daddy?
Yung banda. Ayusin mo. Ito. Ayan. Sige, huro mo. O ano yung kinukulayan mo? What is that? Huh? What is this? This, what is this? This one, what is this one?
Yeah.
Whale. And this one is?
Down.
Oh, this one?
Bingo.
Pencil. This one?
Yeah.
Wave. Okay, sige. Color mo lahat yan. Anong ginagamit sa hands? Yung no? No? Anong ginagamit sa hands? Panghugas. No, dito. Anong panghugas dito? Soap. Nasaan yung soap? Soap. No? No? Soap. Yung hands gamit ang soap. Here. Yung hands hugas yung hands sa soap. Yung nose gamit ang handkerchief. Towel. Yung teeth, anong ginagamit sa teeth? Pang toothbrush. Toothbrush. Nasaan? No. Itong hair, anong ginagamit sa hair? Shampoo. Oh, where is the shampoo? Shampoo. Shampoo. No, soap yan eh. Shampoo. I-connect mo sila. Wait. Oh. Ihi ka? Oh. Okay. Mag-draw ka ng line. Yung hands, gamit yung soap. Connect mo siya doon. Oh, sige. Sulat ka ng line. Sulat ka ng line. Connect mo siya dito sa block. Yung block. Yung hands, gamit yung soap. O, yung nose, gamit yung towel. Hindi. Hindi, dawal ka lang line. Papunta dito sa block. Sa towel. Yan. Nope. Okay. O, yung teeth, gamit yung toothbrush. Okay. O, yung hair, gamit yung shampoo.
Okay.
Okay. Shampoo, ito yung shampoo. Hmm. Okay.
Dali. Ako na yung hands mo. Hindi, ito. Hold mo yung pencil. Like that. Tapos, ay,
Ow!
sorry. O, sige na. Ganun mo. Like that. O.
You do it, Ma! Do it! Tapos, tawa.
Oh, yung kabila. Ayun. Ay, hindi. Ito. Ulitin na natin. Dali. Gana. Like that. Tapos,
Ow!
ayun.
Right, Ma?
Ayan. Teka lang, buka mo gano'n. At umutot si JK. 1, 2, oh! Ba't kinalaw mo? 3, 4, 5. Oh, yung kabila. Next. Ayan.
Ma, like this.
Gani. Ay, dapat isuot mo pala yung ID mo. Sorry. Pogi. Okay. Oh, dali. Pakita. Oh, dali. Tinawan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes!
Tapos pakita mo yan. Hands.
Tingnan mo si Princess.
Daddy, almost.
Okay.
Daddy almost.
Ayusin mo yung hold mo sa cryon.
Tapos, tita. Mami! Ma!
Wow.
Yay! What inside, Daddy?
Okay.
Dali. Yeah. 2, 3. Oh, ikaw na. Sige. Kaya mo yan. Very good. Oh, next. Very good.
Oh, no.
Next. Asan na?
Hey, guys, smile.
Very good. Oh, tabingi na. Oh, next. Next.
My only is here, Ma. Don't it's Ma.
Next.
It's.
Alam ni Daddy, oh. Daddy. Oh. Diba? Very good. One more, one more. Very good. Another one.
Okay. Oh, Daddy, look.
Daddy, look.
Okay lang yan. Yung sa ilalim naman. Yung next one.
Very good. Not banana. O, kala mo yung banana.
Donkey.
Very good. Yung circle. Yung circle. Yung face ng sun. Very good. Another one. Very good. What's that? Corn. Dali na. Color mo na yung corn. Flower. Anong nose, darling? Smell. O, ano yung i-smell natin? Yung, what's this? Di ba ini-smell natin yung flower? O, draw a line until here. Here, here, here. Very good. O, next. Ears.
Ears.
What?
I hear.
Here. O, ano yung here natin dyan? Here. Yung bell. O, right here. O, draw. Draw a line until here.
Here?
Oh,
Okay,
yes.
here.
Very good. How about eyes?
Eyes.
See.
Yeah.
Sunglass. Here. Oh, next. Hands.
Hand like this.
Yes, this. Oh, you draw a line over there. Straight line, darling. Here, here.
Okay.
Oh, bakit ngayon dumaan?
Oh.
Until here. Here.
Okay.
Very good. Oh, finish.
Gugutom na ako. Tagal niya.
Carefully. Slowly.
Okay.
Then, what's next?
Okay.
For boy. No, not that. T-shirt.
Boy.
No, ibang color naman. Green.
Oh.
Yan. Sige, color mo lang, darling. Galing mo. Teka lang, yung name tag mo. Wala ko nakikita. Oh, finish! Very good talaga. One more time. Bakit?
Ma, help me.
Help you. Why?
Help.
Kaya mo yan. Sige na.
Daddy, help, Ma. Ah.
Very good. Oh.
Ma, do mo.
Sige, dali. O, yung kabila. Yan. Very good. One more. Very good. Next. Very good. One more. Hey. Very good. Very good. One more. Very good. Oh, next. Oh, what's this, JK?
Ribbit, ribbit.
Frog. This one, what is this? Ay, what is this? Turtle. This one. Leaves. This one. Tree. Yan. Ay, may hawak ng crayons dahil ganito. Yan.
Ma, help me.
Sige. Kaya mo yan. Up. Yung tree. Ayusin darling, ayusin. No. Ayusin. Circle. Like this.
Ma, no.
Yun. Wow, very good. Oh, next. Ano to? Brush teeth or this? Ito, masakit ang ngipin niya kasi di nagtututbrush. Ito, nagtututbrush. Saan yung correct?
Tita.
Very good. This one, darling. This one. Circle. Draw a circle. Circle, darling. Circle. Oh, next. Ano ginagawa? Ito, hindi naliligo. Naglalaro siya dun sa may putek. Ito, naliligo. Oh, saan ang correct? Ligo. Oh. Where's the ligo? No? Not that? This one?
Tita, no.
Yes. Oh, circle mo, circle. Very good. Next. Ito, oh, nag-i-sleep siya sa tamang oras. Ito, nagpe-play pa ng computer.
Watch pa. Ay, sus. Dapat mag-sleep na.
Yung nag-i-sleep. Siyempre. Yeah. Circle, circle.
Okay.
Oh, ito nag-exercise. Ito, higa lang ng higa. JK exercise. Oh, strong. Oh, saan dyan na-exercise? Saan?
Ma, how about you?
Here. Oh,
okay.
draw a circle. Circle, darling, circle. Very good. Find color violet. Laglag.
Ma, stop.
Violet.
Ma, help me.
Bakit? Naipit?
Ma, yay.
Where's color violet? Violet. Very good. Oh, get mo na yan. Get. Yan. Ayusin, darling. Ayusin. Oh, next. Follow the line, darling. Follow the line. Where's the banana? Okay. Color. No.
What's this? Princess, what's this? Fish!
Daddy.
Nothing. Wala pa yan, di pa yan si Mami. Dali, ano pa tayo? What's that? What's this? Key! Ano to? Chair! Ayun, isa pa, hanap pa tayo. What's that? What's that? Goat! Ah, sheep pala yan, sheep. Frog! Ito. What's this, Princess? Princess, what's this? Boat! Boat! Ikaw. Boat! Dog! Oh, ito, ano ito? Bread! 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 What's this? Spoon!
Sino yun? B. O, saan ang B? Where's the B?
Again.
Where's the B?
How about you, Mom?
This is the B.
Chippy.
Oh. Lagay mo yung number dyan. Ano to? Pagtugtong eh.
Mommy too.
Okay. Oh, sabi ng tweet.
Tweet. Go.
Who said tweet?
Titi.
Bird. Oh, punta mo dyan yung line.
Mommy too.
Oh, draw line.
Day. You.
Isulat mo ata yung number eh. Yung number na isulat natin, number 7.
Baby.
Ganyan dali.
Me.
7. Okay.
B. Apple.
Next.
Meow. Meow.
Who said meow?
T.
Cat. Oh, you write number 9. 9.
Nine.
Like this, darling. Kabilang hands. Here. Baliktad. Dito mo hawakan, darling. Baba mo. Yan, ganyan. Sige na. Lapit natin. Huwag masyadong madiin, darling. Yung maayos. Color ng maayos. Dahan-dahan lang, darling. Ganyan.
Smile me.
Yes, slowly. Slowly like that. Oh.
Little mommy.
Yes, darling. You're welcome.
Ouchie,
Ouchie, ouchie. Oh, next. Yung bat.
Pat, 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 pat.
Careful, darling, careful. Slowly.
Pat, 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 tap, 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 tap.
Dali na pag natapos mo yan, may kasalubong ikaw kay daddy. Happy face.
Happy day.
Sige.
Birthday. Oh, wow.
Di pa, kulayan niyo pa. Okay. Slowly.
I will go, Ma.
Next. Okay.
Happy.
Red naman daw sa angry face. Where's the angry face?
Right there.
Oh, color it red. The angry face. Okay. Next, color brown naman daw sa scary face. Sa scared face.
Yeah.
Where's the scared face, darling?
You, Mom. Daily face. My, what is those?
Dali na.
Brown.
Blue daw sa sad face. Where's the sad face, darling? Sad face. Okay, very good. Right. Sige na, coloran mo na siyang blue. Slowly, slowly. Ay! Slowly, sabi. Hindi, I'm not angry. Next. Orange naman daw sa nagulat. Ito, nagulat. Dali na, color mo. Slowly, slowly.
Okay.
Yan. Very good, darling. Slowly. Next, luntian is green. Sa sleepy face.
Sleeping.
Yan, very good.
Move.
1, 3.
Oh, Ma. Whoa.
It's okay, darling. Next.
Outdoor here. Outdoor here. Dolphin.
Next.
Dolphin.
Ganito na lang ang hawak.
Help me.
Sige na, kaya mo yan. Slowly. Slowly, darling.
Help me, Ma. I eat it. Nom, 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 nom. It's good.